They are both members of the San Pedro Common Sport Association, Mr. and Mrs. Manny and Ellen Padilla. Members, Philippine Palestinian, Mr. Peter Bloom, and Secretary of Philippine Palestinians, Miss Miriam Bloom. Last but certainly not the least, member of Australian Philippine Association of Irawana, Mr. Paul Jackson, and a member of the Irawana Filipino Agricultural Women's Group, Miss Ida Hansheko. Ladies and gentlemen, the participants of the Rigodon Leonor. Our Rigodon class, please. Ladies and gentlemen, for the benefit of those who probably have no idea what Rigodon is about, let me share this with you. In traditional Hispanic Philippines, it is very common to hold grand fiestas in the rural areas, which we call poblacion, or like the city nowadays. Rigodon is a celebration. It's by invitation. So when you get invited to participate in a Rigodon, you are privileged. So initially in those years, the preliminary participants for Rigodon are people who hold high power, high offices, senior politicians, senior government officials. And in the midst of all that celebration, they have an hermano or hermana mayor. The responsibility of the couple is to make sure that all the preparations, especially the food and drinks, are well provided for. Tonight, we have a Spanish version of the Rigodon. And as you can see, our ladies look elegant, beautiful, and radiant in their turban. And of course the gentlemen will equally investing in their traditional Arong Filipino. We should have asked the mayor to join this dance. Mr. Premier, this is the cadena. Cadena is chains, but it's not the same as the chains. C-H-A-I-N-S. That the convicts for many years were brought into Australia. This is now like a link, a human chain, where the ladies extend their hand and the gentlemen gracefully, graciously Lady of Peace. Lead for Peace. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to remind the band to get ready, as this will not be followed by public dancing. But before we do that, ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to please put your hands together and acknowledge Mr. Tommy Bear, our very, very energetic and hardworking choreographer. And his assistant, Ernest Pagella. Ladies and please applause. We actually as much as everyone else. Would you please stop with your hands together and our performers, ladies and gentlemen, as they say thank you to each and every one of you. Let's keep going, please. Sunny. And as is always traditional, the Viva Colombia Award, ladies and gentlemen, opens the dancing officially. So very shortly, the band will play some beautiful dance music. And please, let's take the floor. Get ready, Sonny. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please put your hands together and thank the Rivergon Honor performers. And of course, once again, Joby and Ernest, thank you very much for your wonderful, wonderful artistry and choreography.